Alright, Team Fear guy out here. Today I'm going to do the video unboxing of a bracelet that I got for my birthday. Just a full disclaimer, I opened it on my birthday, but I wanted to upload a video, so that's why I'm making this video. So, let's go. Box. This is the bracelet. Let's get it out from there. Got some weight. A little weight to it. Looks like an extra link here. This middle one. In the middle here, where my finger is. Right there. Gold. The Serasar premium accessories bracelet. My cousin got it for me for my birthday. Looks pretty nice. And it looks nice on me. That was my unboxing video of a Serasar premium accessories bracelet. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.